can write it, chapter integration for x to the power 7 plus 1, which is 8 divided by 8, then a constant plus c. We can cut out from here too, so finally you can write it, say half, because below is 2, so x to the power 8 plus c. This is our answer of this question, number A. And if we go for the D, we needed to simplify first this one by writing like this, 4 x to the power minus 2. This is the simplification of that term. Now we can apply here integration. Usually you can write here 4 x to the power minus 2 plus 1, because this is the rule, power plus 1. Power plus 1, here is the power minus 2 given, so minus 2 plus 1, actually minus 1. I'm writing directly rather than writing the middle line, plus c. So it should be like this, minus 4 by x plus c, and this is our answer. And if we go any more question from here, say question number A, how to do that? So we need to simplify first. Let me use another color to draw that question. So it is written here 6 x to the power 2, and another power is given root x. So we know that 6 x to the power 2 means x square, into this term we can write x to the power half as well. So this is the simplification part we are doing now. So 6x to the power becomes 2 plus half, which is 5 over 2. 2 plus half, we know 2 plus half, we can add like this. You also can use calculator. 2 is the LCM, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, which gives us 5 over 2. So this is the 5 over 2. Now we can write the expression like this, 6x to the power minus 5 by 2. Now it is possible to integrate. We are doing the question number F. Simplification part. From here, if we simplify, it gives us this result. Now let me apply integration. The rule of integration we know. We needed to add with the power plus 1, minus 5 by 2 plus 1, divided by same thing you need to write below, minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So let me see what is the value coming out from minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Minus 5 by 2 plus 1, it gives us minus 5 plus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 3 over 2. So right there we can write it 6 x to the power minus 3 by 2, and its denominator is also minus 3 by 2 plus c. Now if we go for simplify that term, then it should be, I'm going to write here because let me use the yellow color because this is, so it's clear to understand. 6 into, we needed to write 6 into, this is the term written here below, so if it goes up then definitely it would reciprocal, minus 2 by 3. 2 goes up and 3 goes down. The next power is minus 3 by 2 again plus c. So finally you can write from here, we can cut out this 3 and 3, so 3 to the 6. So finally we got from here minus 4 over 4 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus c. We can leave our answer here by writing answer. We also can write that one as a like this, say we can write the answer as a minus 4, keep 4 up, then the below is, because negative power for x, we can write it x 3 by 2 plus c. So both we can leave our answer, either this or that one. So this is the part from question number 1 we have done, and now we are moving to the question number 2. This is Cambridge Advanced Book exercise 15.2 we are doing. This is the question number 2 we are now trying to solve. Actually question number 2, all questions are same. We needed to write all the terms separately first after multiplication. Say b, if we choose from here 3 to b, we needed to simplify first. It is written here x minus 1. I'm going to simplify, then twice x plus 3. Multiply, remove the bracket, x into 2x, which is 2x square. Then x into 3x is plus 3x. Then minus 1, if you multiply, it gives us minus 2x minus 3. Now simplify it, 2x square, and middle term we can add 3x plus minus 2x, which is plus x plus 3. Sorry, it's a minus 3, not plus 3. Plus x, then minus 3. Now it is possible to integrate. This is the integration. Let you apply integration now. We are going to add the power. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3. The next one is plus x squared by 2. Then minus 3x. If there is any constant is given there, then definitely we have to write the 3x, then plus c. C is a constant. This is the answer of that question. Let's move to the question number 2f. To break down first this term, it is written with cubic root of x. 2f we are doing 2f, and then inside it is written here x minus 4. Let me first break down the term. So x to the power, it is x to the power 1 by 3 into x. You can write like this, minus 4 x to the power 1 by 3. So finally from here we got x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1, which is 4 by 3. Then minus 4 x to the power 1 by 3. This is the term. We are going to integrate this one. Let me integrate dx. We needed to add plus 1 divided by same thing, same power we need to write below, minus 4x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1, and the denominator is also 1 by 3 plus 1, then plus c, total integration constant. Now we can write the expression. I'm moving towards below because here I'm going to write, enough place is not here, so we have to add 4 by 3 plus 1. What is the value coming out? Let's see. 4 by 3 plus 1, you can use calculator to do that. 4 plus 3 is 7 by 3. And another part, if we add 1 by 3 plus 1 from the second part, 1 by 3 plus 1, it gives us 1 plus 3, which is 4 by 3. So let me apply this one here. So we can write it x to the power 7 by 3 divided by 7 by 3 as well. Then minus 4x to the power, the power is 4 by 3, and it's below we need to write 4 by 3 as well, plus c. We can simplify more. This we can write 3 by 7 because as a division sign it is given here, that below 7, minus this one is 4 into 3 by 4, we need to write as a reciprocal x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. So finally it should be you can write here 3 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2. We can cut out 4 and 4, then it is minus 3 x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. And this is our answer of this question. Let me move number C from here. 3c. We needed to simplify fast. It is written with x plus 1 whole square divided by 3x to the power 4. So we can simplify like this. Break down the upper part by using the formula. We can apply here a square plus 2ab, which is 2x, plus b square, which is 1, divided by 3x to the power 4. Then it is, we can split it like this, x square by 3x to the power 4, then plus 2x by 3x to the power 4, then plus 1 by 3x to the power 4. We can write, so if we simplify, we can write it 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2, because we need to keep x up to do the integration. 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. The next term is 2 by 3, make x separate, x 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. And the last one you can write 1 by 3 x to the power minus 4. Now it is possible to integrate. Let me apply integration here with respect to x, and it is 1 by 3 into, it is definitely x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1, because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. The next one is plus 2 by 3 into x to the power minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2, divided by minus 2, plus another 1 by 3 into x to the power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. We are doing the integration. We know the basic rule, which is x to the power n dx is given. Then we needed to apply here x to the power n plus 1 divided by plus 1. I did the same thing here. Power with the power, we are added 1, then divided by this power. So we can simplify it by writing like this, which is minus 1 by 3 x to the power minus 1. That one we can write 2 and 2 we can cut out, then minus 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2, and the last one which is minus 1 by 9 x to the power minus 3 plus c. We can leave our answer here. This is one stage of the answer. We also can write it by writing like this: minus 1 by 3x as a power of the x as a positive, then this is minus 1 by 3x square, 1 by 3x square, and last one is minus 1 by 9x cube plus c. So these also you can write as answer. Both are correct. 3e, which is written here, x to the power 5 plus 5 divided by x to the power 3, and another part is x to the power root x is written there. First we need to simplify and write the each individual term with the plus minus sign. So before that, so the denominator is written x to the power 3 and another part is written x to the power half. If we apply here the indices, then it will be 3 plus half, and it gives us 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 plus 1, x to the power 7 by 2. So we needed to write denominator as x to the power 5 and plus 5 divided by x to the power 7 by 2. Its denominator is 7 by 2. Now we needed to write the individual term x to the power 7 by 2. Then another term is plus 5 x to the power 7 by 2. If we simplify more, then it should be x to the power 5 minus 7 by 2 from the left one, and right one it would be 5 x to the power minus 7 by 2. We can write it. So final simplification, which is 5 to the 10, 10 minus 7, which is x to the power 3 by 2 plus 5 x to the power minus 7 by 2. This is before integration. To do the question number 3e, this is the basic part, simplification part. We have to do that first, then apply integration here. We are going to apply the integration. With the power, we are going to add 1, which is 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by same thing, 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 5 x to the power minus 7 by 2 plus 1 divided by same thing, minus 7 by 2 plus 1. So if we add that 2, so from here we got 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 over 2, and the denominator also the same thing, 5 over 2, and here we got 5 x to the power, which is minus 7 plus 2, which is minus 5 over 2, and its denominator is also minus 5 over 2 plus c. We have to write after just integration, we need to keep as a c. Now finally you can write it 2 by 5, because it's the denominator given 5 by 2. While it goes up, then we need to make it reciprocal, and x to the power 5 by 2 is power, and another part plus 5 into, which is minus 2 by 2 over 5, and x to the power is negative 5 over 2 plus c. We can cut out this 5 and 5. So finally we can write our answer like this: 2 by 5 x to the power 5 over 2, then there is a minus sign, 2 x to the power minus 5 by 2, we got from here minus 5 by 2 plus c. So finally we can leave our answer here. We also can write x power as a positive, which is 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2, then another term is minus 2 by x to the power 5 over 2 plus c. Both are correct, and for giving the answer of the both 3f, we need to break down first. Here is a square written, but let me simplify first this part. X to the power half, x to the power half, root x is written there. We need to apply here the indices rule, half 2 plus half, because it's x to the power root means half is the power, so it gives us x to the power 5 over 2. Now let me write the expression, which is root x plus 3 by x to the power 5 over 2, then there is a whole square is given. We have to apply here the formula a plus b whole square, which we can write like this. X to the power half means x to the power root x means x to the power half, a square plus 2ab, which is 2 into x to the power half into 3 by x to the power 5 over 2 plus 3 by x to the power 5 over 2 whole square, b square. Let me break down. X to the power half n square multiply, it gives us this, plus 3 to the 6 x to the power half minus 5 by 2, because we needed to separate that term because one is below, another is up. Then plus last one is 9 over x to the power 5, because 3 square is 9, and if we multiply x to the power 5 over 2 with a 2 as a power 2, we can cut out, then it gives us x to the power 5, which is, this is the term x to the power 5. So one more line we need to write x plus as a single part of the x, individual of the x with a plus minus sign to draw the integration. X to the power here half minus 1 minus 5, which is 4 minus 4 by 2, it gives us minus 2, and the last time we can write 9 x to the power minus 5. Now it is possible to integrate. This is actually the simplification part of this complete part. First we need to simplify by writing like this. Now it is possible to integrate, apply integration here, which gives us x square by 2. If you don't know the basic rule, this is the basic rule of the integration. We are going to add 1 with the power, then divided by the same power, then plus 6 x to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 1. Then the last one is 9 x to the power minus 5 plus 1, which is minus 4 divided by minus 4. Then plus c as a whole integration constant. We can write the answer like this, x square by 2. Then the second time we can write minus, this minus goes up, then 6 by x, and the final term we can write it minus 9 over 4 x to the power 4 plus c. This is our final answer of this question. Hope the questions we did from